Hey friends, so today has been a great day. We just had food over a campfire, and now we just set up the tent in the backyard and got to take a really long nap. Slept from about 2 till 5. And so, yeah, now we're going to have marshmallows, s'mores, over a campfire, which is pretty great. So I just need to bring out the pillows and sweatshirts, and then we should be set for the evening.
No. No, you want it just by itself? There. Okay. Went down to get rolls and stuff because I'm serious. Like Labor Day, there's nothing left. If you don't go in the morning.
We just camped and are now cooking breakfast. Which is really, really good. Hey Dan, even though you didn't join us for camping, at least you're going to come join us for breakfast. But you're not here yet, and we're here with all the food. So I think you better hurry. So I sat down and I heard a crack, and I broke our match. But I think it still works. So next on the agenda today is we are going to a parade. Did you find the shade? So this is what a place setting for 16 people, right? 16? Looks like. Dan let somebody fly his drone, and now it's a little stuck in a tree, like 50 feet in the air. See it? There it is. Right there. Poor little stuck drone.
It was free to me.
But considering that's where it is, and that's the bottom of the tree, I don't think we're going to be trying to get that back.
Sad drone.
Very sad drone.
You're gonna lose it no matter what, so you might as well try and get it down.
Yeah, so let's go try to...
Serious.
Let's do it.
We're not going to take out somebody's windshield.
I think this is going to be a lot of fun. Slingshot, because either he loses it, or we break it, or it gets knocked down and he keeps his drone. I think this is a good plan. I think we should take turns.
I've hit chipmunks with these before.
I have never used one before, so this should be a blast. Or a, what's another word for a blast that requires rubber? Like, it's not going to be a blast, it's going to be a wing.
Snap.
A snap! This will be a snap. Alright, here's a good angle. Probably like right here.
I think we don't have a lot of options for angles.
Yeah.
Stand here and hand me ammo.
I want to shoot too.
So, what are you going to be doing now, Steven?
I am going to hit a drone. Hopefully. Although I've never used one of these before. Not even as a child. Oh, that's way low.
That's way low.
Okay. So, can I try one more?
Sure.
Since I'm shooting super low. Okay.
You might actually be better off over here.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, you're not shooting through all the trees.
There you go. That was high. There. See. Okay.
No.
You were within 8 inches.
That was within 8 inches. I should never be allowed to have one of these in my life.
There's so much fun with paintball. Well, thank you.
So you?
Yep. That was like the 10th shot.
Yeah.
Sometime.
Yeah.
Somewhere around
Yeah.
I'm shocked. Personally, I'm shocked.
Me too. Hopefully it doesn't have a hole in it. But he totally shot it out of a tree.
It's totally repairable. I mean, unless I killed the motherboard or something.
It's true.
Poison ivy.
What?
Yeah, just watch your arms. You've got.
You know what poison ivy looks like, right?
Leaves of 3, die, die, die. Is that how that works? There it is. There it is. And it looks completely intact. Oh, I think he took the battery cover off. Nice. I think you opened the battery door. There you go, my friend.
Wow.
Not bad.
I'm super impressed.
Awesome.
All the fun things you can do with the slingshot.
It's true.
And rocks.
Look,
Little
look at all the ammo I had left over. Seriously, that was like, between the three of us, 25 to 30 shots?
Yeah, not bad for being quite a ways away.
And amateurs.
And amateurs that have, I've never used a slingshot before.
10 years.
Yeah.
But you better believe I'm going to get mine from my dad's house now.
Yes. For sure.